Ever scratched your head wondering why your Canon EOS R5 footage is silent during playback? Let's dive into the common culprits and get your audio back in action first. Let's check your camera's internal audio settings, access the menu, navigate to the movie setup section, and then find the audio recording option. Ensure it's set to either auto or manual, and definitely not disabled. If it's disabled, your camera simply won't record sound, which means nothing to play back. Next, consider your external microphone. If you're using one, a common oversight is a dead battery in your external mic. Always check the power indicator on your microphone. Also, imperfect connections can mute your audio. Make sure your microphone's cable is firmly seated in the camera's microphone jack. Now, let's talk about the file itself. Not all video files are created equal. Some editing software or online platforms can strip audio when exporting, or convert video to a format that the R5 doesn't natively support for audio playback. Test playing other video files on your R5 to see if the issue is widespread or isolated to a specific clip. If other files play sound, the problem lies with the specific silent file. Sometimes, it's as simple as the camera's internal speaker being obstructed. Give the speaker grill, usually located on the back or bottom of the camera, a quick and gentle wipe to ensure no dust or debris is blocking the sound. By systematically troubleshooting these areas, you'll likely restore your Canon EOS R5's audio playback. Thanks for watching, and make sure your videos are heard as well as seen.